Deep in my heart, it is your love, so sweet I get close to you. Caring about you sweetens my heart, serving you with all my mind. Guiding my heart, it is your love, I follow your footsteps of love. I shift myself according to your eyes, love showing my heart's joy. Love showing my heart's joy. Now I live in another world, no one but you are with me. You love me, I love you. No grief or sorrow bothers us. No grief or sorrow bothers us. Painful memories pass away. Painful memories pass away. To you, happiness fills you and me. Clear about your will, just obey you, unwilling to disobey you. I will live before you more than ever, can't be away from you again. Thinking about and tasting your words, I love what you have, what you are. I love what you have, what you are. I want you to be my life. I let you take my heart. Oh, I love you, I love you. I've been conquered by your love, so I am lucky to be made complete, to satisfy your heart. Hallelujah, hallelujah, praise be to God.